Yo, what up, everybody? I told you I'd be back on the golf course, but before I show this action, you already know what to do. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit that bell notification so you can know when videos are coming out, because I'm Mr. Jackson, and I'll be fishing. Boop! Going with the Yum Dinger, paired with the VMC Rugby Head, 3-aught wide gap worm hook. I'm gonna also throw the Z-Man chatterbait, black and blue, with the Bass Pro Shop speed tail, speed shad. That's a fish. Got him. Got it. That's definitely a fish. Thought I felt something. Little guy. He counts though. I'll take it. Get the release. Peace. What the? There's the owner right there, man. Cool dude. Thank you. Appreciate you. Oh, something's got it. Something's got it. Nice. I think I figured out what these fish like. Nice fish. Okay. Play me if you want to. Got it. No chatterbait. Good fish. Good fish. Good fish. Good fish. You choked it. Nice. With the chatter of the baits. Chatter baits. Oh. Nice. Nice fish. Ooh. Ooh. Uh-huh. Yeah, no. A good spot to release you. There you go, right there. Hey, brother. Oh, you just gonna... Oh, yeah. Appreciate that. See ya. Yeah. Yeah. I was just about to call it a night. One more for the road. Nice. Yeah, he came up out of nowhere. Make me want to stay, brother. Thank you, golf course gods. I might not be able to fish you again. Thank you. Appreciate it. Let's get the release on this dude. Peace. Yeah. Another good day of golf course pond hopping. Thank you. Shout out to everybody that wanted me to do this video. I appreciate you. Once again, shout out to the owner of the links at Erie Village for allowing me to fish on your property and make this video possible. I really appreciate you. I will show some type of dedication or gratitude this summer. Trust me, I really appreciate you. Also, shout out to all the new subscribers. I really appreciate y'all. Thank you for helping the channel grow. Damn, thank you. Lets me know that I'm doing something right. Once again, social distance yourselves, stay safe, wash your hands, and continue to fish tight lines. And go ahead and hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit that bell notification so you know when new videos come out. Because my name is Mrjaxn, and I be fishing.